product samples or service samples. And this is one of the best ways that you can engage and get potential licensees. I had a client that had a new material for biodegradable umbrella, and one of the things they did is they went to events and they gave away these umbrellas. And the result of that, after doing that those events time and time again, they ultimately attracted a potential licensee. What better way to do it than to be able to actually put your IP in others' hands? Now, obviously, if you have a product, you can give away samples. If you have a service, provide it to your clients, offer it to potential licensees to work with. You may have a new technology. Can you share it with samples of software, things like that? Think about what you can do from a product sample standpoint, because one of the most powerful things you can get from product sampling, and when I use the term product here, I'm also referring to service, technology, whatever you have, is to get that feedback and testimonials, because potential licensees are really drawn to something that they see has been documented and the customer has ultimately used in some manner. And that's typically the question you're going to get from potential licensee is who's used this and how they responded. And again, product samples are a great way that you can get those testimonials.